Got one. Got one. Oh, beautiful. I think this is that Coosa bass or whatever it is. What is it called?
Yeah, Coosa bass.
Coosa bass. From a rooster tail or something. I got one. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's big. Yes. Oh. Oh. Dude, I need the net already. Oh my gosh. Hold tension. I need the net. All right.
I think that's the one that hit me.
Oh my gosh.
No.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Oh no, it's gonna come off. Dude, that's an awesome.
All right. Let me just. Golly, this water's really moving right here too. Oh, dude. You got the chatter out?
Yeah.
All right, let me just kind of chill with it. I'm gonna try to get back with you. Whoop.
Where's he at?
Oh, jeez. He's about to jump out. Oh, God.
Nice one. I think that's the one that hit mine, because I'm telling you, it's cool.
Dude, I can't believe this.
It'll be good throwing with a chatterbait.
I think this the micro pole too.
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
I'm just trying to not let it be having a water.
Oh, God.
Got it. I'm so glad I brought a net.
Yes.
Oh, hit that song.
Oh, here we go. That's a nice one.
Very nice one.
Let's see, get a length on it. Oh, God. Get a length on it.
I think it's probably like a pound at least.
Got a, it's a 13.5 incher.
Nice.
I ain't gonna weigh it, but probably a pound or so. Let's let him go. Let him grow. Dalton done caught him one. I got it zoomed. Got him a little mirror, he said. Sammy's got one. Coming up on you. All right, I'm coming to you with the lengther.
I'm about to go look for cub.
Look for cub. We need to find cub. Can you help me find him, cub? We need help, cub.
As soon as it hit the water, too.
Is that a spot?
Yeah, spotted bass. Look how fat it is. I'm gonna say probably like 10 or 11 inches.
Oh. Sammy caught him a pretty nice one.
11 inches.
Using that chatterbait.
Yep, I'm using the chatterbait. I got a little custom thing right there. I had to trim the skirt, but we're making it work, baby. 5 mile using the chatterbait. Doing pretty good.
Hey, I got chatterbait.
12 inches. My first one was 11. Yeah, look, that's a good one. We're about to get you on something. Another really nice one on the chatterbait.
Oh no. Oh no. Well, time to switch to a different rod. Got one. Oh. Small little guy. Small little guy. A quick recap for the morning. We're here. Water's kind of muddy. All kind of stuff that could go wrong has went wrong, but we've caught fish. We got there at the boat place, or at the kayak place, at 7:30, 8 o'clock. We didn't know. We thought last year we came and it was 8 o'clock, but apparently it was 9 o'clock. So we showed up last year like that too. But we're on the water. We're gonna take us a quick break for snack and stuff and get back at it. A little tricky. Oh, a little tricky.
I wish Caden could see it. Oh, nice, dude.
Doubled up.
Doubled up. Very nice.
Here, let me I'll take a picture real quick.
Okay.
That was how long?
Nice 2-pounder, 16 inches long on the chatterbait.
Nice little brim. Nice little brim. Nice little brim. You catching my bass? Another little guy. Another little one. Got a beautiful red breast. I'm getting in the current, so hopefully we can kind of stop right here. Beautiful, beautiful red breast. Oh, got one, got one. Oh, that's a small little guy. Small little guy. That's a spot, ain't it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, Caden, you silly guy.
Alright.
I'm not a good idea. Now he's stuck for real.
Well, I can reach my handy dandy pliers.
We just touched it. Yeah, it's weird. They don't make this one anymore. Y'all's is the classic 100. Mine's the Catch 100. The Catch 100 has all the fish and stuff on it. And y'all's just has the rod holders and all the other stuff.
Oh, ah, you. I don't know where he went. I think he's under my ass. Oh, man. Is he under me?
I don't know. I heard him flopping and now I don't.
They're currently dealing with a bass that is stuck under my butt. He's under me. He's got water, so he's gonna live, but well, I guess we'll just let him stay for a little bit. He wanted to ride for a little bit, so he's telling us where the bass are. So maybe we'll catch some. Pretty big one, almost the size of my hand.